What up, people? Smitty at the shop. I was waiting for the heater to shut off because it's already making noise and it's gonna start blowing, but I'll just talk loud. Quick video about these T&E tool ratchets, the 3-piece kit. I bought these on eBay about a year ago. T&E, there it goes, it's gonna blow now. T&E Tools is, they're out of Australia, if memory serves me. Oh, these are made in Taiwan to the quality and standards and specifications of T&E Tools. So, they're Taiwanese. Do with that what you will. The 3-piece set was $150, I believe. I primarily bought them because, I buy cheap tools every so often. And I wanted a 3/8 drive. This is a cool little case it came in, but we're here to talk about the 3/8 drive one. I wanted an extra long 3/8 drive ratchet, which that certainly is. And I wanted it to be flex head. I didn't necessarily want it to be quick release because I don't care for them, but whatever. And I didn't want to pay Snap-on money for one because it wasn't a tool I was going to use every day. Anyway, I bought the set, have abused the hell out of the 1/2-inch drive one. In fact, there it is in there. 1/4-inch drive one, I've abused the hell out of that one. There it is in there. The 3/8 drive one, I think I abused it once and it broke about a month after I bought the set. Not a big deal. I figured I'd get on the site and just buy a rebuild kit for it. The only place I could find a rebuild kit for it was Australia. It was about $9 for the kit and about $90 to have it shipped to New York. So this thing has sat on the top of my toolbox for about 10 months. So this week I got a bug up my butt and I said, let me either throw that thing in the garbage or figure out what I'm going to do to fix it. So I jumped on eBay and I was looking at some used T&E ratchets I saw on there, and I was comparing the head on them because I thought, I'll just buy one, gut it, and put it in this thing. And as I started studying pictures of different cheap ratchets on eBay, I started to see a similarity in some of the parts, the release, more specifically the directional switch. And there was a company that stuck out that seemed to use the exact same parts. So I took a chance and ordered from Tecton. Yep, a lot of you tool guys have heard of Tecton. If you happen to have these T&E ratchets and you can't find a rebuild kit for them, for this particular ratchet, it was a Tecton ratchet model 1481. And it was identical. So I pulled the parts, the broken parts out of that, put a brand new Tecton head in this, and there it is, ready to be abused again. So just a quick tip for any of you that may have this set or may be considering buying it, they are Tecton compatible. I'm not going to say I recommend this set in either direction. $150 for 3 ratchets. I guess you can't go wrong, especially since now I know I can rebuild them. So that's it. That's my tool tip of the day. Everybody have a great weekend. Smitty, out.